Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable lock screen on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You've probably customized the menu bar, dock, and other elements on your Mac, but did you know, like lets you change the lock screen or light window to switch units as well? On my previous video, I'll show you how to disable the lock screen on your Mac, and now what if you want to enable it? You can just open your system preferences on your Mac and go to security and privacy. In here on general section, you can just click on require password. Here, as you can see, your lock screen is disabled. If you want to de-enable it, you can just click checklist on here, and you can choose on for the time range you want your screen lock after the timer range that you use, maybe after sleep screen or saver begins, or 1 minute, 15 minutes, or even 1 hour. So now let's see, let's lock screen. Your lock screen, if your lock screen is active, it will turn out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable lock screen on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.